Alright, what is going on, guys? Back with another trade recap video. Today we took a trade on NQ, made about 750 on it. Didn't really find anything in the AM. Right at market open, we ended up pumping up. I had a bullish bias for today. Huge opening range gap right here. So I was expecting us to come back down into that. We pumped up. Didn't really find a short up here to take. There wasn't really a clear target either. No SMTs really. Kind of just chopping around, wanting to look for longs. We had like some steps of equal highs, maybe. I don't know. And then looking at the PM ended up giving us a good setup. So, sorry, I'm going to fix this brightness. Okay. So PM ended up giving us a good setup. So right when PM started around like 12, I started looking at like 1240-ish. So like right here, I see low resistance liquidity getting built. I see equal lows right there, relatively equal lows right here. Relatively equal lows are still a good target, of course, to take a trade for. And then this internal low right here. If we look right here, we're generating our low resistance liquidity, and it's very important because it was a decent amount of confluences, but time was the biggest factor for this trade. That is why I would consider it an A+ setup. If we have 1250 macro, okay? Macro normally tends to push price to important points of interest. 1245 right here, and then 1251. If we look at ES at 1245, that high at 1245 never got swept. Well, sorry. Hold up. On ES, we made an equal high, 1245 and 1251. NQ, though, did not make an equal high, or did not sweep it at all. So, SMT right there. 1 minute inversion fair value gap right there. Ended up displacing through it nicely. Entered short. Stops above that. Break even after this. I actually did take a like 30% of my position off right here as well. Really bad RR, point like 7-ish, but only took 30% of my position off. I went in with 3 cons. And then I honestly thought we would get stopped out because I did move my stops to break even after taking out the internal low, but we ended up making equal highs right here, and then we just ended up never sweeping them, which is kind of crazy if I'm going to be honest. Then we pushed down, TP2 hit, the relative equal lows, and then TP3 was finally hit. Honestly, displaced through it perfectly. That is why time and price is so effective. Low resistance liquidity, equal lows to target, SMT, 1250 macro. Macro makes our SMT, and then we displace through the 1 minute inversion. We enter right there. The rest of the macro pushes our price to our targets. So that's basically it. I mean, beautiful trade. Really good trade for a Monday, if I'm going to be honest. Normally I don't find winning trades on Mondays, but today we did, so can't complain with that. Show was taken on the 1st of April. So yeah, if I take any trades tomorrow, you guys will see it. But until next time, guys.